Hello YouTube, today I'm here with the Devil Dynamite and I'm showing if it's the kind of vacuum for you. Now when you get this item, I believe it will come with the handle, the canister, and the bottom part. And you just put those on. Now this vacuum is a HEPA media, so it has pretty good filtration. This is a cyclonic, this vacuum is cyclonic. And also has a filter, just one. Is at the top of the red handle. One thing I like about this vacuum is it goes low profile. And also this vacuum comes with a 20-foot power cord. Now, as you see, the vacuum did a great job, and it's good if you're looking for a vacuum that will last you up to 1 to 2 months. Although it does not have a hose, but it still is a very good cleaner. Thank you, YouTube. Bye.